Before we get started, I just want to quickly let you guys know that if you have any questions regarding Shopify or business in general, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll be making videos based off those questions, or I'll be answering those questions in the comment section. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So let's get right into it. Let's talk about Facebook ads. For those of you guys who are brand new, this video is going to be for you. We're going to break down campaigns and what they are, and I'll also be talking about the structure and whatnot. So let's go ahead and start at the bottom. We're going to start with ads, and this is where you're going to be hosting your image. So your image is going to go here of your product. Obviously, you're going to have your offer and you're going to have your link to your website on the ad section. Then we have the ad set. In the ad set, you're able to control who you target and where your ad is placed. So you're able to control whether you want your ad to show on Facebook or on Instagram, or you wanted to show on the feeds instead of the stories. So all that is in the ad set, as well as who to target, what age, what gender, and what location. And then your campaign, think about it as a folder to host your ad sets and your ads. And generally, if you're selling one product in particular and you want to target different people or different interests, you want to do it under one campaign. You don't want to have multiple campaigns for the same product. You want to have one campaign with multiple ad sets that test out different audiences for that same product. Now, if you guys are selling multiple products, you want to have multiple campaigns because each campaign is going to have a different product. And there's different types of campaigns. There's all these, but don't be overwhelmed. We're only going to focus on three, which are traffic, engagement, and conversions. So basically, a traffic campaign is going to optimize your campaign to get better traffic or to get more traffic. That way, you're able to get a lot more people visiting your site and a lot more information in your pixel. And if you guys don't know about the Facebook pixel, make sure to watch my video on it, which I'll leave down in the description. And then you have engagement campaigns, and this basically allows you to create social proof. So if you have an ad that has no likes and no comments and you want some social proof, you could go ahead and run an engagement campaign to start getting likes and comments on your ad. That way it doesn't look too empty when you're actually targeting the group that you want or the people that you're actually trying to sell to. Then you have conversion campaigns, and in here you're able to optimize your campaign to get more purchases, more add to carts, more initiated checkouts, or whatever you guys want. It allows you to basically optimize for a certain event or for a certain thing. So ideally you want to create your first ad with a traffic campaign. This allows you to get the most views on your website and the most information for the least amount of money. So it's better optimized to get more people onto your website, to get more traffic. So once you've gone ahead and run your traffic campaigns, you've gotten a couple of sales and you found your target audience, then you want to go ahead and make a conversion campaign. And in this conversion campaign, Facebook is going to start optimizing your ad to get more conversions now that you've identified your audience. And then for engagement campaigns, I really don't use them all that often, but they're still there for those of you guys who want that social proof and who don't want to buy likes and comments. You guys could run an engagement campaign. To be honest, guys, I hardly ever use engagements, and most of you guys won't. I just thought I'd throw it in here because a couple of you guys want that social proof. So if you guys want some social proof, want some likes and some comments before you go ahead and start targeting your main audience, you guys could go ahead and do so. But personally, I skip it most of the times. It's very, very few times that I actually use it. So that's why I'm bringing it up here, because I still use it a couple of times, just not too often. So quickly, just to recap things, there's three levels to a campaign or to a Facebook ad. You have the ad, which is basically your artwork, your offer, and where your website goes. Then you have your ad set, in which you're able to say who you want your audience to be, what age and gender and so on, what language they speak, and also where your ad is placed. And then the campaign pretty much groups everything together. And campaigns could do different things, or they could be optimized for different things. Most of the time, you're just going to be optimizing for traffic and conversions, so you don't have to worry too much about the other ones. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe if you want more content like this, and I will be making more content on how-tos, showing you guys how to do certain things. I feel like a lot of you guys prefer that type of content, so make sure to stay tuned for that.